Namaste to Patriji sir, Grandmaster Prabodh sir, Malikaji. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity for me to follow this Gudakesha 40 days program. I heard about the program a few years back, and I was very reluctant to do this course because with the various health issues. I normally have snoring issues. I use a machine and various other health issues as well. But over the period, I heard you have to do more and more meditation. And the maximum time I actually did in my life is like a 3 hours maximum meditation. But I heard you have to do like, more than 3 hours of meditation. And I want to experience this beautiful thing. And, I'm so happy I have actually done this 40 days program. And it was a little bit difficult for a couple of few days, but I managed to, I never sort of lie down for the 40 days in my bed. That's a wonderful achievement for me. And now I feel so confident I can do this one anytime, anywhere, whenever I feel like I want to meditate more than 3 hours. That actually gave me so much self-confidence for myself. And that's a wonderful experience. They always say, you need to experience something to prove whether you can actually do things. And this is another experience I have actually gone through with this Gudakesha and the meditation program. And it's a wonderful. I'm pretty sure all my health issues, even I have some issue with my eye, and I was meant to have an operation back in 2020. For some reason, with the universe blessing, this operation has been postponed for so many times and hasn't happened. And I'm pretty sure all my health issues will cure with this Gudakesha program and Gudakesha long hours of meditation. And I'm still going to continue whenever I feel like I want to energize myself, this particular program. And I certainly feel like I have actually got so much self-confidence and so busy for the last 40 days. It's a non-stop. I'm working really hard. I'm still working full time, and finding the time for various activities. I find it so easy to find so much energy to do those things as well. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity to do this program. Other one is like dealing with everything they mention on the meditation, the benefits. I'm actually seeing them happening as well. Like all the benefits of meditation. That is, when you actually do long hours of meditation only, you can actually get more benefits of all the meditation benefits. And there's a beautiful program, and I recommend everyone to try and see. I actually got a little bit sort of scared of this program as like, how can you actually do a program without sleeping? And, I actually overcome that fear in my life. You can actually sit and meditate, almost 24/7 now. That is a confidence I have. And also manifestation started happening, lots of manifestation. I wanted to build a pyramid in Sri Lanka. It's during the COVID time only, the whole thing actually started, and Master actually went and surveyed the land. Therefore, various activities. In the meditation, when you actually do the meditation, you can actually manifest so many things because your mind is focused on various things, and the manifestation started happening in my life too within this 40 days. Therefore, I can say, so I'm so grateful to Prabodh Master, Malikaji. Malikaji's commitment is so wonderful. Every day, 40 days, he was there helping and supporting us. And thank you so much for this wonderful program. And I recommend each and every person, at least once, they need to try this program and see, what sort of experience they are having. And thank you so much once again. Thank you.